the human eye, which evolved by looking to the sun, this human eye is just like a camera. It is having an iris and a lens, and this lens is actually focusing the light, and then behind the lens, deep inside the eye, we are having the retina, and this retina is playing the role of a film as we are having this in camera. Inside the eye, we are having deep inside, means after the retina, we are having cones and rods. And the rods are actually responsible for the intensity of light. They judge the intensity of light. For example, they judge the darkness and the brightness, while the cones are sensing the colors. Now there are 3 cones there, which we call the L, M and S cones, and they are each sensing the red, green and blue color, which are the very fundamental colors. Red, green, blue, these are the fundamental colors, and rest of all colors are actually their combinations. When these 3 colors combine, like R plus G plus B, we are having white light, or we are having colorless light. When they combine in different proportions, then they are giving different colors. Now, inside why we see colors, for example, I am seeing the leaves of a tree. Now, those leaves are actually green. Why something is having a color? It depends on the properties of their body. For example, in green leaves we are having the chlorophyll, and due to that we are having the color is green. Similarly, we may have a color is red. Now, if an object is having the color is red, then it means it is the property of that object. Now, if on a green color I shine white light, or the light comes directly from the sun on the green color, then this will reflect the green color while absorb the other color, and I will see this thing is green. If I shine on this a green color, means green over green, then I will see the green color is bright green color. Similarly, if I shine red on the red, then I will see it bright red. And if I shine on the red color, if I shine green color on this one, green on red, then I will see this red not as red but black, because it will absorb this color totally, and I will see only black color then. And if I shine on the green, the red color, then I will not see it as green but black. And why we see black? Black is actually the absorption, for example, here. So why I am seeing this blackboard as it is black? Now the one thing that there is a little bit shine on this one, and due to this I am seeing this, Another reason is that I'm seeing this in contrast because the background of it is white. If we start merging these colors, then if I merge the red color with the green color, then I will have red with the green and I will have a yellow color. If I merge red with the blue color, then I will have the pink color. And similarly, if I merge blue with green, then I will have light blue color. And if I merge the three, then I will have the white light. Similarly, our eye is actually seeing something in 3D. Now, is it the eye which is seeing in 3D? When we look at the objects, then we see their two-dimensional surface as well as the third dimension of it, and we see that the eye is seen in 3D. In reality, our eye is not seeing in 3D, but our eye is seeing in 2D only. It is seeing the things flat. But we know that if we consider a human eye, then between these two, we are having approximately 6.5 centimeter distance from eye to eye. And if I close one eye and I look into the object, then and I close the other and look into the object, then I see some movement in the objects, and that movement in the objects is actually called, means by closing one eye you see the object in one place, and by closing the other you see it at another place alternatively. So it goes like this and this, and this disparity is actually called binocular disparity. Means they are not paired there, means the pair of eyes are actually having some displacement in the image. Now, when the image goes to the brain, it is processed there, and this disparity actually creates third dimension for the objects. And the same principle is utilized in the three-dimensional movies or the glasses that we wear. Actually, the glasses are designed, or the frames coming from the movie are designed in such a way that at one time it gives input to one eye while the other is not seeing it, and the other instant the other eye is actually seeing the things. So that binocular disparity is an action and which help us to see the movie in a 3D form. So our eye, the human eye, is seeing in 2D, but the binocular disparity or the difference in their viewing angles make or generates the third dimension, and it seems that we are seeing in 3D.